What's happening, party people? I am in the McAllen, Texas area. So if you're in the McAllen area, you're in Pharr, Texas area, you're in the San Juan area, you're in the Alamo area, anywhere within 30 minutes of this area, and you would like to connect for some reason, meet and greet, have me evaluate something for you, give you a little help with something, call or text me. I will be in this area for a few more days so I can possibly help you out. I'm down here tending to some personal needs, and then I'm headed back to Cincinnati. Get back to Cincinnati. I'll be in the Cincinnati area about 3 or 4 days. Then I'm headed to the Ontario, Canada area to hang out with Dan the Man and a few other friends. We'll be doing some fishing in Canada. After that, head back to Cincinnati, maybe settle a few things there, and then I'm headed back out to help you Volvo folks with your repair needs, your maintenance needs, and your modification dreams. So that's what's going on. Hope you enjoyed today's video clips, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, I went walking early in the morning. I took care of a couple things at home. I went and got a haircut, looking good. I aired up my tire and went by the VA to get my medication. And I am currently waiting to see if I can help James get this stuff welded on the front end of his car so we can get his car back on the road. So after this, I'm going by the chiropractor's office, going by the VA to pick up my medication, and I'm going to go check on that S70 to see if that thing's got a burnt valve. If it's got a burnt valve, man, we're in a little bit of trouble here trying to help her get that car straightened out. If it doesn't have a burnt valve, we got some stuff to figure out, like why is it got a misfire on 2 without a burnt valve even after I replaced the coil pack. And also, if it does have a burnt valve, we got to get that money together and stuff to get that head replaced. So that's where I'm at. Then I got to go home and ship out all the stuff that's on order off my website, robertdiy.com. And I am flying out to South Texas tomorrow morning. Working with this Crash S70, everything got tweaked over to the right. You see how that's bumped over there and it's got room over here. So I got this support from a C70. If you don't remember, we're gonna try to get that stuff welded onto the car after we cut the bent stuff out. So I'm getting ready to move the latches and the wire harness and stuff like that, and drop the intercooler and stuff out of the way so that this stuff could be peeled back, give the guy that's going to be doing the welding some access. So I'm going to drop coolant, drop the radiator intercooler package, and may leave the condenser connected. We'll see if that's out of the way enough once we get the radiator pulled, and then peel some of this wire harness stuff back and get it set up so that he can weld this piece off of a C70. It actually came off of a C70, same front end, same clip right there, that front support piece, same part number. Well, we moved the other one out of the way so we wouldn't damage it. So let me peel this stuff back so he can have access. Got everything peeled back from where we need to cut this thing out at. So that's where we're at. I don't think we have to disconnect this condenser. We did pull the dryer off of its mount, but I think you should have room. So let's see what happens here. Here we are. We got a few pieces cut out of it. He's going to work on sliding that over toward the driver's side a little bit. Close that gap. Straighten that stuff out. Scoot this over just a little bit. And we should be able to start welding and putting this thing back together. It's a good running car. It's a shame they are trying to total everything out now. But I got to move on to the next stop. Here with this S70, about to check compression. So hopefully it'll have good compression. Whoa! All right, that's almost 173 on cylinder 1. Let's check cylinder 2. All right, do it again. All right, that's good. It's got up to like 165. Turns out compression was good all the way across the board. It had a dead spark plug. Spark plug just died. One of these new weird spark plugs that people are always calling me, telling me that I should use in these NA cars, but it just died. Fortunate for her, I had a brand new set of Volvo plugs at home. So I ran home, got those plugs, got them installed, and no more misfire. Next, we're going to replace the serpentine belt. Somehow somebody installed the serpentine belt wrong. It cut a rib off of the serpentine belt, so we have a new belt to put on. I'm going to put that on so that she could go visit her family in Tennessee. Got the serpentine belt on. Didn't take long. Brand new. It's good to go. Next up, I'm going to replace that torque mount. We got a brand new one in. And then I'm going to try to install a tailpipe tip on this car because it's missing. That didn't work because there's rust there. So that's it for now. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.